Welcome, welcome to the weekly analysis for the week of March 11th through the 18th. We currently have 8 items, 8 assets on the docket. So let's get started. Okay. I'm actually doing the weekly analysis. I know this is not a weekly order block. However, because we had price break structure and then price pullback to the institutional candle, pretty much filled in this imbalance and then started moving up. It gave a bullish order block. Then we had a pullback for the week. So this is looking good for a continuation. This is the break. This is the pullback. So I would be looking for price to give you some bullish momentum. It may pull back a little more. It may pull back just a little more, but I would definitely look for some bullish momentum to continue for the buy up to this zone here. And I think that's only about, it's at least 150 pips. Okay. So this is not a weekly order block, but it is if you look at structure, it's creating higher highs and higher lows. So next we have CAD Chef, which is a baby order block. I would definitely wait for maybe an impulse move or some sort to break this high here. Okay, I would look for an impulse move to break that high there. To then get in on the, let's go to the daily. Let's see what's happening. Okay. Okay. So this pulled back into the imbalance. This could give another daily to the order block to then keep pushing up. Okay. So price could tap into this order block. Price could either tap into this order block, push down here, and then start breaking structure to the top side. However, if price breaks this low, breaks the trend line, breaks this low, I would look for the pullback to then continue selling down. Okay. Oops. Okay. JER 30. We have a daily order block, bullish order block. We have a weekly bullish order block. Let's see if JER 30 is at JER 30 is at an all-time high. So I would definitely say zones rated. However, we have this order block here. Okay, so if price pulls back into the zone, that's about 200 pips. So let's go to the daily. So it gave a daily order block. Ooh. price has wicked past this high. I'm not saying just because it wicked past the high does not mean it's not going to continue going up. But I would mark up this order block here. And then let's go to the 4-hour. Okay. So price wicked up and then it pushed back and then it pulled back. So I would definitely wait for price to either come to this zone, and show you what it wants to do, whether it's going to buy back up to the top or break through this zone here and pull back to this zone. This is based on market structure. You have this push here, this push here, and then this push here. Well, it's gonna go up there. Okay, so if price breaks below, price can break this zone, but right now it can only come to here. If price breaks this low here, then we'll look for the pullback, wherever that may be, to start breaking these lows, or at least to this low. Okay. And I'm just going to set it here because this is, let's see. That's a key level there. So that would be where the first TP would be. Okay. And we're talking approximately 745 pips. Okay. So that's your 30 euro NZD. We have a weekly bullish order block. So let's look at structure. Okay. You have price pushed up, pull back, pushed up, pull back, pushed up, didn't break these highs, broke these lows, gave us a double bottom. So it's probably coming up here to the order block. Okay. Probably coming to the order block. And that may be either at the wick of the order block. It may be at the wicks at the top of the order block. It may just keep on going because it's, I don't know. Or maybe it'll come somewhere up in here, start breaking structure. So you can target these lows and even target this order block here. Okay. Now this is the swing. So this is the swing low. So as you can see, there's liquidity here. So price may come down, wick past there, and then keep pushing to the top side. Or not break these lows, not wick past these lows, and then start pushing up. So once price gets to this zone, then you can decide how you want to move forward. Okay. NZD CAD. We have a weekly bearish order block. This is Gali. Okay. I'm just gonna. Okay. So this was the swing. Always look at market structure first. This is our last swing. It pushed up, did not break this high. Look like it might have broke that low. And price is probably pushing back down to the trend line, possibly tapping into this imbalance, or let's see. Or you have this zone here and then this zone here. Okay, so price is going to likely tap into one of these zones and either continue pushing up or break through this trend line, break through these lows, and then expect a pullback for a continuation to the downside. Overall, price has been bearish, so I would definitely expect bears. Or if it's bullish, you'll know, and then you can target these highs. So from here to here is about 261 pips. Okay. NZD Chef. NZD Chef is another ugly pair. As we can see, we have a key level here. Okay, so price is at that level. Maybe price is coming a weekly bearish order block, pushing down to tap into the order block or the imbalance. There's liquidity there. So maybe price will tap into this zone here. Okay, to push up or to break through, break these lows, and then continue to the downside. That's all the way up there. Let's see. Yeah. So I would definitely wait for price to either, and let's see how many pips from here to here, 36, or here to here is 76. So I would, because price can pull back. If you're trading the order block, although this is, yeah, I would wait for price to either come back into this zone here to show you what it wants to do, or wait for price to either break above here or break below. NZD USD. NZD USD. This is another one. So first we have this key level here. Okay. All right. It looked like price tapped into the zone, gave a bullish order block, pulled back to the zone, and then pulled back again. So price is either going to tap back into the zone. There's really nothing to mitigate on the weekly from here. But of course, there's always something in the wicks, right? So this is either going to pull back to the zone and then start pushing back up to the upside, or it's going to break through this zone to continue selling to the downside. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. So the trend line has been respected. So I would definitely wait for once price comes back here, show you what it wants to do, and then trade accordingly. Okay. And US oil. So US oil has been bullish. So right now we got a bullish order block with at the zone, broke above this high. So looking for a pullback. So looking for a pullback for a continuation to these highs. Okay. So we're looking for price to push up, pull back, and then again target these highs. That's what I see for, and then here's another key level here. Okay. So from zone to zone, we're looking at approximately 1,000 plus pips. That's what we're looking at. And that is it for the weekly order blocks. I may do another one for, we'll see. Let's see, hold on. So we're on a weekly, 2-week, 2-week. Okay, we still got 6 days for the 2 weeks. And I think we're done. Yeah, 6 days for the 2 weeks. Okay, so we're still in the 2-week time, in the 1-week time frame. So that's what we're looking at. Next week, I'll do the 2-week time frames. And that concludes the weekly analysis for this week. Happy trading.